Life, she crazy. Listen, yeah. Hard for walk straight in a world where so crooked.
Alright guys, so today I'll be using the Too Faced The Power of Makeup by Nikkie Tutorials. I'm just going to show you guys what it came in before I showed you this. Now I did not know that what a box. It come in one box and it's so many look something I can't go in there if you need to. But you get this little what is name? Like this Ziploc closer thingy bag. Like I don't know. I can't put things in them, I don't know. And in there you have like more stuff. Now when I initially ordered it, I honestly did not I wasn't watching anything before, so I didn't know that we got other stuff with it. But with it you have this glitter which I'm going to use today. It's called Glitterally. Can you imagine? Glitterally. And then you have the Too Faced eyeshadow insurance, which was my very first primer, BTW. Then you have the Too Faced sketch marker, and it says you're so Too Faced, so Too Faced. Then you have the Better Than Sex mascara, and it's purple. So I think there's a purple in the palette because I really want to use this purple mascara on my lower lash line. Then let's get to the palette. So the palette looks like this. Close. It's very small. I honestly thought it was going to be bigger, but it's small. And look at the colors. Now to be honest, I believe that once you've seen one palette, you've seen them all. It's just a matter of presentation. So we'll have the colors up here, the eyeshadows, blush, and whatever they want in that bronzer and like glow. But I have this color here called Irresistible. This is what I'll be using for my glow today. So the aim is to use everything from the palette to do something and not just for my eyeshadow, you know. So I'm going to be going in with a glitter look tie-dye. Like I think I'm going to do a glitter purple. I don't know, you guys know how it goes. I always change my mind after. So yeah, let go. That is basically it. And she has another thing that she wrote. That's just basically it, guys. So let's just jump right into the tutorials. Alright guys, I'm going to be using glue to keep down to hold down the glitter. You guys know this is my thing. Whenever using glitter, I always use the glue. I know they have glitter adhesive, but if I did have it, would I use it? Let's just say that. So I'm going to be going in with Glitterally. I'm so excited for Glitterally. So I go in now with the glue on my eyelid. I go now with glue on eyelid. I'm gonna take off. Me use too much glue. Let me right now in this. No, I need one mirror. I need a mirror. Alright, so I'm putting the glue all over. I'm putting the glue wherever I want the what you call it, glitter to be. And glue tend to go on my lashes, so I'm trying to avoid that area. So I'm going to be going in with Glitterally now, and it's just like a silver glitter. Oh my god, it's like a silver and gold. I thought it was just a straight silver. It's like a silver and gold. Did you guys hear Kitty say like, oh my god? Sorry. Oh my god. I thought it was like straight silver. It's like silver and gold. Oh my god, it's not even picking up on camera. Guys, I'm going to come closer and see if you guys can see what I'm experiencing right now. Guys, it's still not showing. It's like gold and silver. You guys, hopefully it shows in the picture. It's kind of barbaric, but I'm going to take this tape and I am going to be removing the glitter. So just stick it on, pull it off, and the glitter is gone. Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm not gonna get it perfect. Jeez, guys, jeez. So next through, I'm going to be going in with Makeup and Chill, which is this brown right here. Putting that in my creaseroo. Ooh, that's a nice crease color. Now one thing I'll say to Nikkie Tutorials is that this palette is black woman friendly. Thanks, boo. Ah, you go, Nikkie. Yes, girl. Yes, honey. Yes. Because a lot of these palettes aren't black women friendly at all. this Makeup and Chill. Are you guys seeing that deposit? It's not too dark. It's like nice and warm on my eyes. Ooh, I don't know if I want to do purple now on my ones. I probably do purple on my lash line, but I don't know if I want to go in my crease. Then I'm going to be doing Wanted, and that's that black. So you know what, I'm just gonna keep it chill today. Nikki, can Ivy be used for my brow bone? Let's see. Let's see, Nikki. Let's see, Nikki Babo. Let's see. Are you guys think that water? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I live in a house. We bathe. So thank God somebody's bathing right now. Let's just praise the Lord that we bathe. Then I'm going to be going in with Justify My Love. And Justify My Love is just going in. Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. That is pretty. That's pretty. Then I'm going to take Justify My Love again and go right over. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, and I'm using my Beige Cosmetics Fluffy brush. That's pretty. I'm going to be going in again with, where's my knitter brush? Come on, why do I keep losing my brushes? I'm going to go back in with Wanted. I'm just going on the outside again. Just on here. Just for the depth in the outer edge, like I said, I love. Then just taking what's on the brush and like flicking it up a little bit. Then I'm going to be lining my eyes using my Anco pencil. I mean, I see you. This palette, Nikki, is really, really good. I'm talking like this one watches my videos, but it's really good. So I'm just going to be going on my lash line as well as my waterline with this Anco. Alright guys, I'm going in with Wam Bam, and that's that purple, and I'm going to be putting that on my lash. I'm going to put on the tip. It's catching right this one. Alright, I'm kind of nervous. I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. Alright. That not bad. That not bad. Yeah, that not bad. That not bad. That not bad. And I'm going to be using the purple mascara as well. But I'm going to be applying the mascara after I put on my foundation. Cause it's mascara and maybe, you know, like something happen like when I putting on my foundation, and like maybe the brush touch the lash and then remove something, so I might do it after. Alright, so Nikki, remember I had asked you if Ivy can be used on my brow bone. Let's see. So because Ivy white and I feel like it not work, I just tapped like 4 times, and I'm going to tap on my brow bone. Nikki, make it bad, so. Oh, you know I said would I work for my eyebrow. No? Nikki, you're too bad. Nikki, you know much people something can't match for my eyebrow. No? Nikki, you're too bad. So I'm going to take my Beige Cosmetics Fluffy brush, and whatever is on there, I'm just going to use it to blend down Ivy. Guys, I love it. And it's so simple. Like, my eye look is done. My eye look is legit done. So I'm going to be putting on my foundation and my contour. The foundation that I'll be using today is Black Opal's Carob. Then to highlight Toast. Then to set Ben Nye to bake Sacha. And to set my all over face, I'm going to take Classic Espresso to set my all over face. So again, just going to pull down just to blend. Alright, so next time you see me, I'm gonna have foundation on, and y'all gonna think I'm like a magicianist or something, because it's gonna be like that. Alright guys, so I'm wearing my Fashionista lashes from my line, Pour Me by Lyric, and you can shop at pourmebylyric.com. Now I'm going back in with, what's it called, Wam Bam. And Wam Bam is right here. Then I'm just going to brush this away. Then I think I am going to just be applying the Better Than Sex mascara. I don't think it has a name either. It just says Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's okay. Just made it pop a little bit, but not a lot. So for blush, I'm going to be going in with I Will Always Love You. Oh my gosh, it has like a glowy thingy. Okay, just a little bit though. Oh no, I don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to stop using that. Then I'm going to be going in with Irresistible as my goal for today, and it's an eyeshadow. Irresistible. It's an eyeshadow. I'm going to tap off first. I mean, it's an eyeshadow, so it's coming off like an eyeshadow. You know, the one thing I'm surprised about is that this palette doesn't really have like an array of glows, you know. I'm going to check Champagne Truffle. Okay, so Champagne Truffle is like a glowy thing. Oh, okay. So let me try Champagne Truffle. Alright, there we go. I mean, it's more glow than one needs, but I mean, what are you gonna do, right? So I'm going to be applying my lips, which I'm not quite sure what lip I'm doing as yet. I have three. Well, I have two. Either this brown, not sure, or this purple. Yes, I'm going to be doing the purple to bring out the purple, my purple lash line. So I'm going to be doing that, and then that will be the look. But honestly, I'm going to drink my tea first. Alright guys, so I'm going to be applying You Look For That by Sacha Cosmetics. And I just hope this one don't apply streaky, because in that other tutorial guys I saw when that pink one applied very streaky. Alright guys, so it's still drying, but this is the look. When I brush them, I feel like here's someone do something too. So this is the finished look, you guys. I did not set my low light, just my highlight alone. This is the look. I'm digging the eyes. The lips are okay, but I'm digging the eyes. The eyes are fierce, honey. And very simple, just a glitter and a smoky look. It's very simple. It's very simple, you guys, trust me. This palette, love it. Very, very, very brown girl friendly. Very brown girl friendly. And I agree, I'm not the deepest brown girl that there is, but for my kind of brown, it turns. Alright, so that's basically it for this tutorial, guys. Won't stay here any longer. Thank you so much for watching. We're on day what, 28 or 29? I've lost count, but I'm almost at the finish line, you guys. Thank you for sticking through this 30 days of September. Who thought I could not do it? Please comment in the description bar if you thought, you know, so lyric I got stop. No, what I need to get on is filling in the description box. The description box, you guys, for day one, which is today, the 1st of September, has not yet been done, and I don't know what to do it myself. So that's basically it, you guys, for this tutorial, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share the playlist.